Dude, macOS just stopped recording again, like 5 minutes in, and then I lost like a ton of progress. But anyways, I've never like really built a systems language. I don't know much about systems, much about like the super low level stuff where you have to link stuff manually and such. So I'm gonna try QBE today. Now, in the 5 minutes, I made like a run.sh, and I also like compiled QBE. It was surprisingly fast. It was like really fast. I was surprised by it. But yeah. We have it. We have an empty file here. We have a blank file. I managed to compile a hello world. I didn't like spoil anything for myself. I only saw like this. I only saw this, and let's actually read through the manual. So we make it data. Null terminate. Now we want to do like hello world. Now this is a tutorial for actually making a compiler for Brainfuck, but let me skim through stuff. Let me skim through how assembly looks. So you can actually, I don't need this section because you can qbe.as.qbe. It just gives me the assembly, and then I pipe that like into my compiler and linker. So I don't need to like have this guy explain this to me. I also don't know why this like C code. But yeah, let's see now. Function d put s, L and W, I saw this mentioned somewhere. Yeah, so W is wide, 32, and L is long, 64, and S is single precision float, so that's float 16-bit. Double precision floats is double, that is 60, no. Am I gonna make a fool of myself? No, 64, definitely. No, it's not. Okay, well I forgot that, but that's fine. That's absolutely fine. Alright, so we're taking 64% S, that's pointed to the first character of the string, because we're on a 64-bit system, and a wide file descriptor, because that's what POSIX wants, right? File descriptors are 32 bits. Add start. Do we have to put this somewhere? Alright, let's make a function main. Can we do that? Can we make a function? Yeah, we can. Oh, export function main, right? Because it's not gonna get linked otherwise. W main. Yeah, W main. All right. Add start. Red 0. So that's gonna be our function. Can I get a tree sitter for QBE? No, I can't. All right, then I'm gonna do it like the old school way. Run sh. This just ran. Let's look at the nm output here. Right, so main is like exported as a global symbol. It's like not as a like it's not private. That's what I'm talking about. If it's capital, then it's like exported. It's available for everybody. It's in the whatever section, right? You can like dynamically link with the thing and execute the main there. What if I don't do it? Start. Label or disexpected. So you have to put a label everywhere. Fascinating. Oh yeah, let's look at the assembly output. We have DOSstring underscore string, so that's ASCII by 0. So it's null terminate. What if I don't make it null terminate? Well, let's find out how to print something. I saw like a syscall. Yeah. So you just call. It's that simple. You call right with the file descriptor first. That's gonna be 1. Length. No, not length. Yeah, this is length. The pointer. Yeah, the pointer is gonna be. Can we just do it like that? That's the question. And the width is gonna. No. The length is gonna be 17 plus 1 plus 20. No, 18. No. Dude. Oh, let's go. I don't really care about the microphone. I forgot that I'm not using like my iPhone as a microphone. Alright, that was how much? That was 17, 18, 19. Wide 19. Round.sh. Let's go! It's that simple. Now, can we get the length of it? Can we get the actual length here? QBE? Can we get the manual? Me chat. Stop. First experience is just like this, by the way. You record the screen, the whole thing starts like crashing down. you like connects to you and it starts disconnecting. I don't know if my bit rates, like I don't know if my audio keeps jumping from 22k sample rate to 44. That's the chance that it does. I do not know what my sample rate is at the moment because I had to connect my phone for screen copy and then like record the screen audio to actually get the sound like working, because I don't know why, but it doesn't. Like macOS does not like you to do anything. That is horrible. Type, simple type, subtype. Ooh, base bytes. Can I set like a custom? Oh, half words. Oh, that's not wide. That's words. Yeah, I'm stupid. S is for single precision. D is for double precision. All right. Subtyping const has numbers. FP dynamic const. Private local symbol. External symbol gots. What does the equal sign do, by the way? Because I saw him use the equal sign like here. Does it just mean like put it there? Does it mean that? Aggregate types. Yeah, can we have like arbitrary length data, like arbitrary length things? Free 32-bit values, 1, 2, and 3, followed by a 0 byte. Oh, that's nice. That's always nice. Type 1. Bro, I have diabetes type 1. Control instructions. What was I even looking for? Oh wait, no. What was I looking for? Oh, that means loads. Yeah, that means loads wides into CH from S. Dude, I'm stupid. Oh, I was trying to find out how to get like the length of the data, right? So how do we? Data is right here. Data is right here. Length. Length is not mentioned once. That is fascinating. But you know, we don't actually have to keep like a null terminator here. That's not what I meant to do. Do we get a segfault, by the way? I really want to see a segfault. Oh, it just tries to do that. It just tries to access that. What if I do 128? That should go like outside of the segment for sure. No. 1024. Wow. This. Amazing. They just dumped my whole memory. Oh. This is like interesting outputs. Like it just dumped it. That is amazing. That is amazing. But yeah, it's 20. Is it 20 though? Now I doubt it. 18. Yeah, it's 18. Yeah, let's go then. So that's that. We can add. So let's say we want to make a loop and we want to increment every single thing in this string. Let's do that. Can we do function width? Right. So int print incremented. Do we give it a start? Because I saw him give it a start, and I don't want that. You just make a loop by making add loop. You read into CHW. Oh yeah, we absolutely need like a 0 byte. But yeah, you don't. It's not like special syntax for null termination. It just means this is a ton of U8s, and then you like put them like that. Like you just dump them right there. And this means just like one more U8 of 0. So we can technically make it like this, and it's going to be the same thing. All right, we start a loop here. We ch load UB, load unsigned bytes from S, right? And we need to get, how do you specify parameters? Yeah, a long pointer to a string. And then if it's 0, then you jump to p bytes. You do that by specifying a label like this now. So this like the predicate. So let's make it a predicate. And then loop. All right, so the loop starts here. We store W. Why do we store W? CH to global CH. That's weird. Why do we exactly need that? Alright, how do we add something? How do we add something? Honestly, how do we do that? Let's see. Add. Alright, let's load it. I have no idea how to like write this properly, but let's see now. We store it into the right buffer. Next character and string. Oh, we store. Oh, that's nice. We can just load it like immediately. Yeah. So %s, we can just say %current, right? We load the w. No, we load the byte. Adds %s ch1, and then we can just call write with what? Yeah, white file descriptor 1. ch %ch, that's gonna be our local. Long, no, that's byte ch. And then we're gonna give it a length of width 1. Oh wait, no, that's not a byte, that's a pointer to the thing. Yeah. Alright, so we write this. Let's put labels like this. Alright, so that's the loop. We jump non-zero to loop based on what? If character is non-zero, we jump to loop. Otherwise, at done, and in done we should probably just return with what? With nothing. That's good. That's good. Yeah, and then we can just jump to loop. No, not to loop, to pred. Hold on. Oh yeah. Alright, well, we don't want to print ch, we want to print cur. Right, so that's going to be our rot1. At line 15, invalid class specifier. Because we have to, what? Add. How do we add something? B, add ch, and then 1. Is this impossible? Do we just have to do it like that? Invalid type for first operand cur in arg. That's weird. What does this mean though? Invalid class specified. That should be a class specified. That was a byte. No, it's a byte, isn't it? Do we have to declare it though? Do we have to declare, or do we? No, I don't think we do. I do not think we do. That's fascinating. Do we have to just store W, like the actual thing, into like a global, and then we increment the global? It might be the move, honestly. It just might be, unfortunately. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Add 15, store W. Oh yeah, I didn't put a comma here, but it's probably not going to be valid with a comma as well. 16, add ch, and then 1. Wow, I'm like not doing well here at all. All right, let's just see how they add stuff in here, and let's hope that it works. Yeah, so you can increment like the character by one, but that's just gonna increment the point, you know. Yeah. We can load UB. Is that what we wanna do here? Load UB, load unsigned bytes. Oh yeah. Let's do that. W load UB from CH. Can it be a local? Yeah, oh, bytes must be loaded as well. That's what I was looking for. And then we can just do add, right? We can do %b equals w adds b and 1. Right, yeah, that makes sense. So we just load b. We don't though. Oh, store W. We can store W the byte there. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. That's just how I do things. I mess up like I make stuff that doesn't work for 10 hours, and then I like figure it out at some point. It's painful, it's not pleasant to look at, but that's just how it is. Or I like look up stuff on GitHub search, but that only happens when I start to understand something. And the type of first operator in CH 23 does not exist, mind you. Very, very weird, honestly. That's very weird. All right, let's actually abuse some of it, honestly. Like I feel like that's all I can do here. That is just all I can do. QBE. Yeah, let's just do. How do I say language is QBE? Is that available? No, I don't think that's. Well, you can set it for like linguist, but generally 0 people did it, which is kind of funny. But yeah, let's do QBE code, and then we just sort by recent. That's what you want to do. Wow, this is getting slow. Like the fact how slow is like one thing, but this is even slower. QBIR.md. This is somebody's personal notes, which is kind of funny. Yeah, that's. Is this handwritten? Intermediate language. Oh, it's like. Oh no! It's just the page being like taken there. Var.q add item QBPS. No. Can we say file extension file is all.qb path? Oh, that's a good one. Wow, that is insanely useful. Oh, let's go. That's that, yeah. Len.qb, fast basic QB code generator. Brainfuck.qb, that's the big one. I want something like super common core QB functions. Wow. That is useful. But we probably want to like, oh, this is nice, well commented code. That's what we want here. So push just means push onto the stack, a stack, a pointer to a stack, and this like a data structure. This is good. Call printf. Wow. So we just have printf and QB, I assume. Do we? Printf is not a syscall. Yeah, it's not a syscall. I don't know why I thought that. External runtime functions. wmain. load as W sub D1. All right, so we make like a little temporary variable, and it's going to be our pointer. It's going to be our handle. Percent PTR, percent index equals long. No, it's not. It's not. We just increment percent s every single time. Loop. So before jumping, we say percent s equals L, add percent s 1, right? And that's how we make like a little like auto increment and for loop, right? Determine the length of a null terminating string. Start copy string. Wow. So what you do here is you load UB, you compare equals word, byte and 0. What do you mean compare equals? But yeah, that's how you load like. Wow, that is very instrumental actually. That is very instrumental. So at start, you copy the string. We don't do anything at start, so it's just gonna be empty. We load a character and then we say percent byte equals W, adds percent byte and then a 1, right? And then we just write the byte here. Jump down 0 if character is this. Yeah, no, we don't have to do that. We do not have to do that, so that should be fine. Invalid type of first operand in a line that doesn't exist. Wow. Now that's valid. I don't know, support that. Percent bytes. Oh yeah, what am I doing? Yeah, I absolutely have to load DB. Because that's the pointer, that's like the... I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh no. Length. Do we increment length anywhere? You know, I'm just gonna copy this whole thing. W pink. We're taking a string, right? And then we return. Oh, we can return with something. Yeah. So lines do matter. New lines do matter. We start by copying the string. We do not do that. We just leave this blank. We can probably do this. How do we comment stuff out? It's the good way to comment stuff out. I'm a fan of this. So we say we copy the string and then all right. Let's just copy the string. We load UB, and then let's say oh no, that's the loop. Jump on 0. So can we just like write? Call write with wait 1 long. How do we take a pointer to this though? How do we know the memory address of that little byte here? Put C string function push loop pop. No. Load the value. Top A decrement stack pointer. Top L call. No. QB take pointer of local. Because we need that. Oh, what am I doing? This is the point, no? Isn't it? Yeah, it should be. Shouldn't it? So that's going to be our long, and then we say 1. We just say 1, and 1 is going to be a word. Does this no? Separate byte and arg. Bytes compare equals. You know what? Maybe I should go for a tutorial right here. That's probably going to make it a little bit easier instead of doing it all myself. So yeah, we know how to do deputs. We went through like all of this. We understand it perfectly. We're fine with it. We export function main. Function main does not do much. What should main do here? Just return 0? Alright. Alright. Function mismatch. Let's handle errors first. So yeah, let's do function miss. It's important that like when you just write code down verbatim, it's gonna be like a little different. No, let's actually copy this. Let's actually copy this and like understand it. Start, we call dput s with length of this, and then the file descriptor of 2, and then we call exit entirely. You can call C functions at any time. What do you mean by that? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, that's what the printf comes from. All right. But how does it know that we need to take like we need to import a library that has exit in this? How do we know that? Let me go back. Compile logic. Let's start. Let's go. That's the compile logic. Call dput s prologue. Prologue is gonna be our prologue. Yeah. Now it's defined somewhere there. Do we compile it to C? So we make like a thing that outputs C, but damn. All right, you know what? We're just gonna copy all of this here. That's gonna be it. All right. Main. So we call dput s, and it's a loop. It's a REPL. Wow. Fascinating. Start, we start by calling dput s. That's going to be our prologue. Why is it not anywhere? I don't know why it did it like this way. I shouldn't be. Then we do add loop. %r. That's going to be a temporary variable called r. Of width, call reads. Fucking off width. I mean, of words. I'm gonna keep messing that up like forever. Length of ch, which we loaded where? Oh, it's a global ch. Yeah. So we have to rely on chb in somewhere. Where is it? Do we define it somewhere? Global ch. Oh, we did. Yeah. So that's what we're doing here. Yeah, that makes it a lot better. Because I thought ch like existed by the fact that we like made it. So I spent like 10 minutes on nothing. That is horrible. That was not fun to watch probably. Loop, we print length 0. Where do we load the ch? At what point do we? Because it's just 0. It's just 0, and then we pretend it's a long. That makes no sense to me really, but oh, dput s already said ch in there. All right, that's gonna be kind of hard to keep track of, but yeah. Compare equals words of r to 1, and if non-zero, so if it isn't 1, then we jump like forwards. Simply to maybe left and EOF. Oh yeah, because EOF is byte 0. Yeah, it's like null byte. EOF, which is so they're like the same brand. Huh? Why are the two of them? Oh. I'm way too zoomed in. That's why it is. No, they just broke it like that. Whatever. D, we're gonna assign D to W. Yeah, see, that's much simpler than trying to like do arithmetics. We just load the dev, and then we jump non-zero. Loads SW. What does load SW do? I mean, what is SW? Have the same effect. So that's our signed W. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it W, 32, U32. No, I32 in this case. Jump non-zero, %D. If it's non-zero, then we go to mismatch. Otherwise, we go to add done. All right, and this is gonna be our mismatch. So in mismatch, we say call mismatch. with nothing. Oh yeah, we do it with nothing. We didn't define any parameters on there. Return 0. We shouldn't have to return 0 because we quit it anyways. Yeah, we exit. Let's just keep it there for correctness then. I trust the right here. Done. Call deputs, and this should just it should just give us the whole thing. W1 return 0, and we ignore all of this. This should compile. Let's go. We say A, and it gives us the epilogue. All right, beautiful. So if we say echo hi into round.sh, it's gonna just gonna give us the whole thing. All right, int main. I don't like this. I won't have it like this. Yeah. Let's go. So this is gonna make us a program. Can we set ft equals asm? Is this? Well, it's gonna highlight like the comments separately. That's nice, and the string literals. That's always nice to have. Let's write our QB translator now. Read2 can return -1 on error, and we need to go back to EOF in that case as well. Oh, that's why it's signed. See, I told you. They know everything. Like all the little things. Because I thought it would be 0 on error. But yeah, 0 is EOF, so why would you do that? Yeah, let's do a QB translation. So on maybe left, we load UB the character. See, there's just like a lot of menial work. I'm gonna copy paste this. I'm sorry, but I understand the code anyways. Load unsigned byte, load UB8. All right. Compare to 60. What is 60? Oh, is this? Let's actually copy it with the comment. And if it's non-zero, then we jump is left. All right. So if CMP is non-zero, then we jump. So non-zero means true. This is left. This is left. And then we just put the string. Well, wait, this is simple. And then we jump to the loop. And it fries. Then we check if it's 62, which is this one. By the way, you can check that in Vim. GA. It gives you the thing. Like immediately. Is right. So this is like the like I can see it like directly mapped to C. I'm just really glad that I don't have to it makes me glad that we have high-level languages like C, because you wouldn't have to name our like labels individually. Oh, I just got a new grade, 8 in computer architecture. I didn't study for that. I sort of I collect random answers on half of it, which is I guess surprisingly lucky with that, because my friend got like an 8, and I got like got like less than an 8. I remember, which is crazy because like I don't know anything either. So yeah, compare equals whites, call dput as jump loop is inc. Yeah, this is very copy pastable. Is close EOF mismatch done. So we can just put it here. Right, it's not a crime to put it here, is it? It isn't. New line expected got this instead. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna copy paste the whole thing. Alright, and let's read through it instead. Let's read through it instead to make sure that I didn't miss anything. It's because I'm doing dput as, not main. Wow. What am I doing? I did not see any of that. All right, this is valid. Is L close? Is L open? Is L close? Where? It's right there. Yeah, of course it's a label. What's your problem? Before we do that, assembly backwards from mob L. Why is it thinking? What does it think a label is a damn is L? Oh, it's because we do have to like yeah. So if we just like generate assembly, it's gonna generate. It's valid the QB. right? It's just that it tries to jump to symbols that are not defined, and it's fine because we like if we define them, then it would be fine. Like if we linked with it somehow. But yeah, can you load, please? Yeah, that would be very like greatly appreciated. But yeah, this maps quite cleanly actually to actual assembly. Like. Even though it's not actual assembly and it's going to be different on every architecture. So on ARM, for example, label 2 is going to look like this. Label 1, 2 is lopen. Call Q is lopen. Well, I'm really glad that I don't have to. Yeah, label 15. That's 15. We move. We liac says as like long equals something something. I don't remember. Add B, BLB. I do not. I don't want to learn ARM assembly, honestly. Like that's not something that I'm gonna have to know until like 5 years into the future. Backwards from it's because yeah, that's fine. That's fine. If we were handwriting assembly, move L, ESI. I wonder why it doesn't like. So we move L into EX. You can XOR bits, right? You can XOR the number with itself, but it doesn't do that. I don't know why. Maybe there's like an optimization level. Man QB. Well, I don't know why I expected that to work because that's not something that. Like I installed, but all right. Docs. So we have docs, ABI, LI, LLVM, LLVM. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. ABI TXT optimization. XOR in doc somewhere. No. Oh wait, we have so much tests, and then we can just read those instead. But yeah, this looks like a pretty simple like little backend that doesn't have too much stuff to know. The whole documentation fits in here, plus obviously those ones. Doc LIHC. Oh, those are just the links, right? Those are just the like. Yeah, wait, that's nice. That's all of it, right? And it's like 10,000 lines of code. It compiled in 30 seconds, but like my machine was throttling like hell. Right? It lost 70% of charge in like 30 minutes, which is not characteristic for it. Is L open? So we check is L open by doing we load SW depth. Depth is going to be set to where? It's not going to be. Oh, we just add to depth. So global depth, we load it into D, we increment D by 1, you can only assign to temporaries. And then we store, that's how you store a global. Yeah, and then you increase it. So, no. Yeah, no, you don't want to make a function to increase something. Called dput s. Why do we not dput s this? You know what, let's just roll with it. It checks nothing. This checks something. Yeah, this checks it. So we load the dev. This probably does bone checking, right? It is bone checking. Load signed word, subtract 1. So let me actually do C translations. D equals, well, not C. Let's say depth. D minus. It's not like close to C, by the way. It's just more like Python, I guess. More like JavaScript, actually. Wow. So we say if D equals -1, if bad, then we say this, and then we say else this, right? Is this correct? Is this correct? And then we just call mismatch with 0 args that exits it. Then why do we need to return if this is no return? I don't know, man. No. If it's good, then we just dput as L close. I don't know why we need to dput as anything. What is L close? Oh wait, I'm stupid. That's because we're like generating C code. Yeah. Only assigned to temporary, so we need to load the while %def into temporary, then we can modify the value. This is the code this is the assembly that it generates. I'm not even gonna look at ARM assembly today. That's not the mood that I'm in. Perhaps it would be nice to recognize include Reacts. Inkle? What's Inkle? Oh, increment. Could be used in this context, but it's not such a huge deal. Yeah, it just doesn't optimize anything. I don't care. I don't care. Does this output valid C code now, by the way? The tutorial ended so abruptly that I never even noticed it. Plus, plus, minus. Dot. Wow, wait. And then we close it. Wait. Hi into $/bill/hello. Alright, well, those are not valid characters. Plus, plus, dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That should be a new line. Wait, let's go. That's all of it. Pointer is not defined. Oh, pointer is defined. Into out.c, right? And then we and cc./out.c .o bf out and ./bf out. Put char is not defined. Yeah, whatever. -std equals C89. Yeah, let's include it then. Let's include it. Hashtag includes stdio.h. Is it stdio? That is really horrible because I forgot how to do anything at all in general. Put char. Where is put char? Is it some higher system library? stdio.h. Yeah, it is. It is stdio.h. What was the problem then? Cat out.c. Ram out.c. What's the deal here? Oh, it's because we didn't recompile it. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so now it's included. Reducing alignment of section data. Common for because it exceeds. Is there a problem with BF out? We say, oh, we did just put a new line. Wait, I didn't even consider that. So, yeah. So there's like a linking error, which is my bad. Biff out. No. Can we just read an out? C. Holy shit! Let's go. Now, how do you write brainfuck? That's like the big issue. Is it just this? Brainfuck, infinite loop. I don't think we should do it into build hello. We should do it into run.sh. No. ./run.sh. No. Okay, let's go. So now, well, it's not in raw mode, so it only asks for one character, but if we can input any amount of characters. That's because we're in a shell, and a shell does it for us. Our read line, well, not a read line, whatever the line editor in here is. The following counter loop: 30k cells wraparound. After the following echo. Well, we just want to ask in Gemini for you to generate. All right, echo. Yeah, that's what we need here. Echoes whatever is typed until 255 is reached. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Holy shit! Biff out. That's it. Wow. That is amazing. All right. Well, what we did here though is we just we did IR. We made the program like directly in this. So we need to like output this somehow. Is there like Is there something super easy to output this, to target this? Are there like any helpers for it? Maybe there's like an ecosystem thing. But yeah, this is super easy. Wow. Vaporously describes. Damn. Compile. Yeah. Compile, and then we say ducks, and we say tutorial front end. Oh wait, many C. That's the juice. Wow. Yak.c. So that Yak just generated this, I assume. No, Yak generates from this, doesn't it? Well, this looks like this just looks like GNU code, but it's not. It's not, because there's a comment right here, right? This looks like actual, like genuine GNU code. Like if you go into glibc and you look up the source code for that, it looks just like this. Except like the glibc code looks horrible, but enum, all of this. Now this is just a C compiler right here. Glorious macros, sed. Oh, it's just sed. YY type. YY pass. YY type. Code 1, go to stack. Now, is this just union token? Oh wait, union. I thought union was like a keyword in the QBIR. Oh, Yak, like yet another C compiler says, oh, this is like, oh, this is what you give to the parser generator, isn't it? Wow, if only I knew how to use Yak. Tests. That's how tests look. This is C89 or something, I assume. MCC. Mini C compiler. Get ignore makefile. README. Mini C. No, there's no more. Fold. We actually, this actually folds something. Boring folding. No, I wanna know where we fold here. So we fold ints, right? We fold. Wow. So we fold any int. We fold floats. We fold references. What do you mean by that? So if write type is not RTMP. TMP is, well, that's not helpful. Return R if tab I2. I assume. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So if it's not a temporary, then we can. So we can only fold temporaries. Op table I op can fold. Ooh, wait. What can we actually fold here? Extern op pass.c pass. I am not seeing the pass.c op tab. Yeah, right here. CF. Ops.h. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, so all of them can fold. No way. So this like optimized well. Well, store isn't folded, but you can't really fold store that easily. Internal operations, keep not first. What do we have here? X cell G. Oh, back in flag select. What does that mean? I'm just not gonna investigate a flag. Floats less than. We don't care about that. Arguments, parameters, Ooh. That's how we get parameters. So that's for variadics, I assume. I mean, that's how we get arguments. Internal operations. Oh no, that's not how we do it. That's internal. Debug location, copy. So those are just like. Yeah, I saw this one. This can just like it's mem copy, I think. Alloc 4, alloc 8, alloc 16. Is this like? Because like I would assume like it allocates by one automatically, but this like reserve space for you so that you don't have to do it individually. I don't know how CPUs work that well, so that's not gonna help me at all. extend sound bites, extend unsigned bytes. I don't love the way that things are called like this. Say extend signed 8, right? Extend I8. Why not just do that? Come on. You could be like SU. You could still keep SU. I like that more than I and U, but still. Compare equal. So they're like different for every type. There's like a ton of them. So that's not. We don't have like a super big set of things, and you can like assume what most of them do. Also, my editor is lagging. I've never had Vim lag. Have you ever seen Vim lag? We just did. I should probably like. Yeah, I'm at 27% already. That's bad. Live.c. What does live do? Tutorial. Oh, bibliography. I forgot about this one. Let me just grab my charger real quick. Yo, I'm back. So what was I doing? This is a nice illustration. I might save this. I'm probably not gonna display the whole contents of my images folder, but you know, what every compiler right should know about programmers. I've heard of this one, but I haven't compiled descriptions. I've sort of heard of this one. I've heard of a lot of the Plan9 research. It's a shame that it didn't take off because it's so well engineered, but nobody cared about it, right? You have one computer, you want to use one computer, and I don't know. Torf for portable C compilers, regrettable C compiler, compiler constructions. I never used a parser generator. I never used whatever Yak Bison. I never used any of that. I had all of my stuff self-written because it's quite simple and easy, like what I had. But it would make sense to use more of the GNU utils to make, serious languages, possibly do some functional programming, because I could never do that. Maybe there's a Rust QB Biden library where it makes it type safe, makes invalid states unrepresentable or whatever. Yeah. We don't have to do this because all of this is very simple, right? You make a function, you give it some attributes at the start, right? So export is an attribute here, but all of that is going to be available in the LSP, But yeah, this is straightforward, right? You just, you start a block of memory, that CH is going to be nothing immediately, right? But then you put 0 there, and that's going to be a byte. This 8 bytes. 8 bits, and this this is kind of growing on me. If only you could do variables. If only you could do the variable length stuff. But that's probably not an issue. And I'm probably overreacting. Add a simple function that returns the sum of two integers. Type words, value temporary, 8 a string. This is verbose. This is really verbose. Wow. I'm not impressed. QB via Zig. Yeah, let's do that. Zig build. Oh, that's not what I want. I want bindings. You can very easily represent it in Zig. Why not? Here is as simple than Zig. Oh. Compile it backend. Zig. Oh, did I just see something? No. Abstract interpreter. Wow, wait. Oh yeah, because there's going to be a whole ecosystem for that. Wait. QB Zig bindings. Do we have any? QB. Oh, wait. Yeah. That's what I need. That's what I want here. That's exactly what I want. But it's, okay, so it's got 3 stars 9 months ago. Last committed update, readme. Is this vibe coded? And merge proc by CI update actions test. Let's see. Let's see this though. Let's see the first commit. I like to dump all of my stuff into one commit as well because I include a lot of stolen code, and when I have to distribute it, I have to unsteal it. That's like sort of a given, but the no, it doesn't have anything. Oh, so it doesn't function possibly. Let's see now. What does this have, by the way? I would probably like make. I don't know what I would make, honestly. I just want to build something. To create buttons to QB nodes. Well, you can just make that yourself, can't you? Glyphid. Is that more well supported? Oh, I've seen Feather. Oh wait. Yeah, I trust them because we have Feather is that. Oh, it's the same repository, isn't it? It is. Right, so I know that it's not vibe coded. Let's hope that there's an actual reference in there. Bow. It's an abstract interpreter for it. 4 years ago, we are not gonna be able to do that. All right. Let's do block. Label conjugate label before block. Items. All right, let's block item statement. Sign of volatile. Wait, this is a union of either statement or comment. Why would we need to make a comment? Oh wait, that's useful. That's useful. You could do like doggen from QBIR result possibly. Alright, assign a volatile. So this is volatile. This is a sign. Right. This is volatile. This is a sign. Is it? Yeah, temp, tie, or insure. No, it's struct. So you have to have all of them. Assign temp. Oh yeah, because assigning to a global is volatile. And then the instruction can be all of this. Wow. And we have a phi. I know phi is useful for like in SSC, like IRs, it's like super important to have phi because it like makes sure that you don't something. It's something about loops. So we have all of this. I never even saw that. I'll sign. Yeah, this is good. It's all of them. This is all of them. Cast. Oh yeah, cast. No, cast. Do we like retain type value in there? All right. Yeah, that looks nice. I also wanted to take a look at crane lift IR. So let me. Actually, did take a look already. No way I did. I'm gonna do that. I'm probably not gonna do that now, but okay, exit. So it supports all the we care about: RISC-V4, R64, and of course x86. RISC-V64, RISC-V 64. Yeah. How does it look though? Because I know this says like bindings in Rust directly, and I didn't do Rust. I don't like Rust, but I should probably learn Rust because everybody needs to know Rust in 2026. Because it's like a good language. It's a good language. Maybe, possibly. How does it look? Can I take a look, please? See, this is why I never liked Rust, like the ecosystem. It looks like this. It looks like this. The C ecosystem looks like this. You go onto a website, you get like proper HTML. There's like an image. You can. It doesn't have dark mode. It just like dark mode because of the dark reader plugin that I have. Because it can. This can't be dark moded. You go into docs and then you get the docs. You have one page with them, right? You go into the docs. It's gonna give me like a React tab. Is it? Isn't it? Oh, it's gonna. No, it's actually. Yeah, it's actually there. No, that's good. That's good. It's gonna be like wherever I clone it, so it's fine. Any bibliography? Possibly. API reference, contributing chats. Get started. Test IR index. Yeah, I want an index. You know what? I'm not gonna do it today because it's like lagging and like really bad. So I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave. Good luck.